In America, they really like their Keurig and drip coffee. Hello. I am currently getting ready and I thought I haven't pulled out my vlog camera in forever. So, hello, I am in Atlanta now, Atlanta, Georgia. I just got here yesterday and I haven't seen my sister in 2 years, so I was grabbing dinner with her and her husband, my brother-in-law. She took me grocery shopping. It's so much cheaper in Georgia, so I think I'm gonna buy most of my stuff here in Georgia, like anything I wanted to buy from Sephora, from Ulta, from like the grocery store, because in California they add a sales tax and it makes it so much more expensive than it would be.
제가 병원 가서 만들었어요. 쫓겨나는 거 아니야? 아니야. 내가 뭐라 할게. 우리 성우님들. 우리 그 해놨다면서. 근데 제일
Hi, I don't know how good the lighting is here, but I wanted to show you this thing from Trader Joe's I got yesterday. My brother-in-law bought it for me. It's this coconut body butter and it smells so yum, but it's a very summer scent. Definitely using this as my summer lotion. It smells so good. Trader Joe's. My restroom routine has been lacking since I've gotten here, so I am eating as much veggies and fiber as I can today. My fiber-rich bowl. I came to, what's this, Ponce City? And I need some coffee actually. I'm gonna go find some coffee. It's a place that Hanami recommended me, so I came to visit. I'm back from my little trip. First, what I did record were these shoes. They were $32. My mom really likes picture frames, and in Korea it's hard to find picture frames, so I got this one for her. It's her style. We have something similar to this. I have these clips for like things you eat. And then I saw this top color, $12.99, super cheap. I got this American t-shirt, $8.99. And then I went to the workout section. This one was super cheap, it was $7.99. I love TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has such great things, you just have to dig for them. It's like thrift shopping. 6 a.m. Today I'm going to my sister's dental clinic and I'm going to get my teeth whitened and also cleaned by her. Sugar baby. Yeah. Cute. It might be a little sensitive.
감싸줘's your toes. It's so like, you know what I'm saying? You know how it kind of like
spreads it out.
yeah. I think that's why it looks weird to me. I stole her shoes. Your foot is not small. It's never been small. Always been bigger than all of us.
I just bought Dolce Vitas at Macy's for $100 and they're selling it here for $29.99, but they don't have it in the black pairs, which is a relief. I mean the brown pairs. I'm okay. We're okay. Today is another day. A Friday today. Came to Chick-fil-A with my sister. Are you okay with coming out?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you don't. This is my sister. Hi. She's pregnant and she's been driving me around. And we calculated the days I have left in Atlanta. And because I'm leaving on Monday morning, that means I'll only have today to eat Chick-fil-A. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm getting her special deluxe sandwich that she talked about. And is it special deluxe?
It's a spicy deluxe.
Oh, spicy deluxe. And we got all the sauces because Chick-fil-A has the best sauces apparently. I haven't had it in like probably 15. I don't think we had it in Cali, so like 14 years.
Probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. You too.
I love them! It is so good.
Right?
Oh my god, Chick-fil-A!
Did you have In-N-Out when you went there?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the reaction wasn't as big for that one.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A is so good.
Oh shoot, Chick-fil-A is so good. The best chicken sandwich I've ever eaten. I like having this variety of different sauces. It's nice.
And the sauce is good.
Yeah.
Right? Because I feel like McDonald's, Burger King, their sauce is okay. But Chick-fil-A, their game, like their sauce game is strong.
Oh. And the girl was so sweet at the drive-thru.
Everyone at Chick-fil-A, I feel like they're trained to be like super nice.
Oh yeah, she was really nice. I was like, oh, she looks like they would close on Sundays. Beautiful. I'm 5K, but normally it takes me 27 minutes, and today it took me 30 minutes. And I am gonna go visit my sister's best friend. What? How are you? I'm good. That was crazy. It's so cool here. Oh my gosh, there's so many things.
We're gonna drink another.
I love these. When I was a kid, I just drink them. At IHOP, like I went to IHOP because they had so many of these, and Dad doesn't know what I'm doing. He's not paying attention.
Tastes like milk.
Yeah, but like super sweet milk.
And she loves it.
Good, thank you.
This looks so good. Now, how did your parents?
This is so good. It's sweet. Oh my god. Last day in Atlanta, last full day. I'm leaving tomorrow at 6 a.m. Yeah. And I have nothing planned for today except going to church with my sister and my brother-in-law. Skirt, Reformation. Shoes, Dolce Vita. And then top from Tinker. And I'm probably going to borrow a cardigan from my sister. Cappuccino. And needed this. I feel like there's more Korean children here than there are in Korea.
Korean what?
Yeah, children. That's so funny. Yeah. My sister saw my shoes, so she wanted a pair. I got her a pair from Marshalls because they're all sold out at TJ Maxx. Crunchy almond butter, icebreaker gum, 5 gum, travel size.